So one of the best things about Shiba Inu holders is that they're resilient and that they have this long-term mindset. And it's part of the reason why Shiba Inu is doing so well right now. And frankly, what we need to see today, tomorrow is hold. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. And when I talk about hold, I'm not talking about you, me, what we do with our bags. Me personally, I am just holding. I'm not doing anything in terms of my assets right now. But what I'm more specifically talking about is Shiba Inu holding this specific level. So right now, there is a hard line I have drawn on the charts here. And this is actually at 40193. And Shiba Inu is so far has done a very good job of being resilient around these levels and holding this specific range. Now, why this is important is this week should be a very good one for crypto. All right. Now, this isn't a guarantee. Nobody knows what's going to happen. But when we look at the trends of institutional money, we look at the time frame of when the market typically takes off. This is a week where, frankly, we may start seeing some even better movements to the upside. I had to rephrase that there. But Shiba Inu staying resilient at these levels and holding these levels is a very important thing, because if it does, this becomes a sustainable pump for Shiba Inu, and it's a much better indication of what we may see working our way up here. Okay. Now, what I have to say, and what I also see is very important as well, is although the market has been kind of crap over the last 12 hours, you can see a sea of red. You know what hasn't been? Shiba Inu. It's actually up 0.75% over the last 12 hours. So we're seeing quite a bit of resilience when it comes to Shiba Inu holders. And this is, again, a testament to the long-term mindset. This is a testament to where Shiba Inu price, frankly, can head during this market cycle that people aren't anticipating right now. Now, I did talk about this in my ADA video earlier. I talked about, this move in terms of BTC, and this is this breakout and retest move, which is all taking place at the right time. If you guys want to hear more about that, feel free to check out that ADA video from earlier today. But what we're seeing now is a little bit of pile-on when it comes to Shiba Inu. And what I'm talking about here is whales are actually getting a little bit more active. If you guys remember, this move for SHIB all took place from retail. Excitement, not much supply to go around. All these things kind of contributed to this nice surge to the upside. That was about over a 50% move. And now what you're starting to see is actually a little bit more activity from whales. In fact, yesterday, 264 billion SHIB in net flows to the positive side. So they are, in fact, in accumulation mode. While some people have sold off and taken profit, they're building their position for this next leg. Now, it's all a question of where this next leg is going to run to. I had somebody ask this question, SHIB tends to make these quick and violent movements in a very short period of time. And then we go through some periods of sideways trading and consolidation. And yeah, that is technically what happens with SHIB, right? When we look back, historically speaking, at what SHIB has done, this move here took place over the course of about a week. This move back here, this 10x move was about a month long. And yes, when there are bursts of retail excitement, that's when SHIB tends to perform extremely well. It has high inflows, it has high optics, big adoption levels. SHIB does extremely well during those periods of times. They're quick, they're violent, but then you have periods of cool off. There's always going to be cool offs. The price that you pay for extreme gains in this market is very high volatility, and you will have periods of consolidation, right? Now, where things get interesting is as you get deeper into the bull market cycle, as you get into alt season, these happen more frequently. They can be more violent. I don't know. Probably there have been a lot of people here that have been here from the last market cycle, but you know what I'm talking about, where assets can make a 50% move, 100% move in a day. That is not unheard of. And SHIB, because of its supply, because of the resilience of holders, that is why SHIB can still move like $1 billion coin, like a $100 million market cap. It's kind of crazy what can actually take place in this market. And right now, if SHIB continues to hold, if we continue to see resilience, if people continue to have the long-term mindset in terms of Shiba Inu, which, guys, these are all things that are in fact playing out, it wouldn't be surprising to see SHIB start taking some serious moves in the very near term. So hopefully this all continues. I really hope that institutional money continues to be on the same trend this week. All signs are pointing to it, at least as of right now. We'll see what happens as we get into it. I'm glad that in terms of BTC, we're not creating a CME gap over the course of the weekend. Everything is aligning for what may be a very good week ahead for not just SHIB, but for the crypto market in general. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.